Hi friends, welcome to Tech World, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and review of this Zebronics USB keyboard. So this keyboard comes with a price range of about 300 rupees, and in the offline market you can get this keyboard under 300 as well. So this is the basic keyboard, and this is not a gaming keyboard or any wireless keyboard. So this is a normal USB keyboard with all the normal functionalities. We do get the multimedia buttons here, as you can see, and we get the modular design, and we get these 12 dedicated hotkeys for the functioning, and it is a USB interface and a plug and play interface. Also this keyboard comes with a rupee key sign here, as we can see, and it is a quite compact looking keyboard. Before starting the unboxing of the keyboard, friends, I request you to please like and share this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get latest notification of all my new videos. So let's open up the box and see what's inside the box. So this is the main keyboard unit which we get here, and so this is the plastic. I'll remove the plastic from here, and this is the device which you get, the keyboard, and quite compact looking keyboard. We get these multimedia buttons here in this keyboard, which brings the extra functionality to our keyboard. And this is a normal keyboard with the normal layout, and these are the lightings for the caps lock, and we get all the normal functionality of the keyboard. So the keyboard comes at around 250 to 300 rupees. In that budget, I think the build quality is quite good, and the keyboard is built with the low cost plastic, and we can see while we type on these keyboard, and for the price I think the keyboard has a very good build quality, and the typing on this keyboard is quite okay. And we get these rupees sign button here as well, the extra functionality. So now we will connect this keyboard to our laptop, and we will see the functionalities of these buttons here. Since now I will be connecting this keyboard to my laptop and will be checking the functionality of this keyboard. So I'll connect the keyboard here with the USB port. So straight away the keyboard is getting detected, and we get all the lightings for the num lock, caps lock, scroll lock here. YouTube right now, and I will be checking all these buttons here, the functionality of these buttons. So I'll press the home, but this home button here. So let's see what happens when I press this home button of this keyboard. So I press the home button. So after pressing the home button, right now I am on the home page of my browser. So by pressing this button, you will get to the home page of your browser. So now I will press this button. So here you can see the Windows Mail is getting open here. So this functionality is for the mail, and I'm getting now options to configure my mail accounts. So from this button we have a direct shortcut button in order to configure our mail systems. So now we will go to the next button. So this button is for the audio, I think. I'll open up YouTube and I'll check whether I will be able to control the functions of the video. So I have opened up a video here, and now I will it is on the pause mode here, as I have selected the as I have paused the video. So now I will press this button to see whether the video start playing or not. So as you can see, friends, the video is getting played. So very cool shortcut provided to us by the Zebronics company. So very good feature we get in the low budget keyboard. So we'll pause the video here. We can also stop the video, and we'll try to change the track with these buttons. Let's see. So as you can see, a new track is getting played here, and all the functions of the keyboards, it is getting paused, and when I am controlling it from my keyboard, so everything is working fine. And also we get this mute button here. So, and also we get the audio controls here. So I will be able to mute or control the audio with these buttons. So I'll try to do it as well. So I'm adjusting the volume here. As you can see, it is getting to 100%, and I will be decreasing the volume. So here you can see the volume is getting decreased and increased with this control here. So both the things we can do, and also we can mute the audio. Here you can see, friends, I'm able to do it. I'm able to mute the audio as well. And also we get this button here. So this, from by pressing this button we get to this PC, and our my computer opens up by pressing this button. So friend, these two buttons which we get, these are for the sleep option, and as you can see, as soon as I'll press this button, the system will go to the sleep mode. So as you can see, now the system is in sleep mode. So friend, this was it from the review of this keyboard, and to sum up, it is a very good keyboard for the price, and the main highlight of this keyboard is that we get these buttons which provides us a very handy options, like controlling our audio, and also controlling the volume of our audio. So it is a very good feature which we get in this low budget keyboard. So I like these features of the keyboard, and other features are just the normal functions which we get in the other keyboard. So pretty good keyboard which we get in the low budget 200 to 300 rupees price segment. So very good keyboard for the price, and the build quality is good for the price. This was it friend for today's video. I hope you liked this video. I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like and share this video. So thank you for watching this video guys. Have a great day. Thank you.